budget-friendly backyard garden ideas to enhance your outdoor aesthetics. Creating a beautiful backyard garden doesn't necessarily have to break the bank. With a little creativity and strategic planning, you can transform your outdoor space into a stunning oasis on a budget. In this article, we will explore various low-cost gardening ideas, DIY techniques, and affordable garden design options that will inspire you to create a charming and inviting garden within your means. Please consider supporting our channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Your engagement greatly helps us in delivering more high-quality content. Thank you for your continued support. Optimize your small backyard. If you have a limited outdoor space, don't worry. Embrace the concept of vertical gardening by utilizing trellises, hanging baskets, and wall-mounted planters. These space-saving ideas allow you to grow a variety of plants, herbs, and flowers without compromising on style. Get creative with containers. Container gardening is an excellent way to add color and greenery to your backyard without spending a fortune. Explore the world of repurposing by using old buckets, vintage crates, or even simple plastic containers to create unique planters. Combine different sizes, shapes, and textures to add visual interest to your garden design. Embrace DIY projects. Take advantage of your crafty side and embark on exciting DIY garden projects. Build raised beds using reclaimed materials, construct a charming garden pathway using inexpensive paving stones or gravel, or create your own garden ornaments using recycled items. These personal touches not only add character to your garden but also save you money. Opt for hardy and low-maintenance plants. Choose plant varieties that are known for their resilience and low maintenance requirements. Native plants, succulents, and drought-tolerant species are excellent choices as they require less water and care. Additionally, consider perennial plants that come back year after year, reducing the need for constant replanting. Emphasize garden landscaping. A well-thought-out garden design can make a significant impact on the overall aesthetics of your backyard. Use landscaping techniques such as creating focal points, adding layers of different heights, and incorporating natural elements like rocks and pebbles. These design elements can transform your garden into a visually appealing and cohesive space. Please consider supporting our channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Your engagement greatly helps us in delivering more high-quality content. Thank you for your continued support. Transforming your backyard garden into a beautiful and inviting space doesn't have to be an expensive endeavor. By implementing these budget-friendly gardening ideas, you can create a stunning outdoor oasis that reflects your personal style without breaking the bank. Get inspired, unleash your creativity, and let your garden be a testament to the power of affordable garden design. Happy gardening! When it comes to creating a beautiful backyard garden on a budget, there are plenty of cost-effective options to consider. With a little creativity and careful planning, you can transform your outdoor space into a stunning garden oasis without breaking the bank. Here are 5 budget-friendly gardening ideas to inspire your garden design. Embrace garden landscaping. One of the best ways to maximize your backyard garden is by incorporating strategic landscaping techniques. By adding layers of plants and flowers with varying heights and textures, you can create a visually appealing outdoor aesthetic that adds depth and dimension to your space. Think small and smart. If you have a small backyard, don't let it limit your garden dreams. Instead, consider container gardening. By using pots and planters, you can easily create a beautiful and functional garden in a limited space. Plus, containers can be moved around to optimize sunlight and provide flexibility in your garden design. DIY garden projects. Get your hands dirty and unleash your creativity with DIY garden projects. From building raised beds to creating unique garden sculptures, there are endless possibilities for adding personalized touches to your outdoor space. DIY projects not only save money but also give your garden a one-of-a-kind charm. Opt for low-cost materials. When it comes to garden landscaping, there are plenty of affordable options available. Consider using recycled materials like old pallets or reclaimed wood for raised beds or garden borders. You can also repurpose items like wine barrels or old tires as planters, adding a unique and eco-friendly touch to your garden. Seek garden inspiration. Don't be afraid to look for garden inspiration online or in magazines. There are countless budget-friendly garden ideas out there waiting to be discovered. From vertical gardens to creative use of space, you're bound to find inspiration that aligns with your vision and budget. Creating a backyard garden on a budget doesn't mean compromising on style or beauty. With these affordable garden ideas, you can create a stunning outdoor space that brings joy and tranquility to your life without breaking the bank. So roll up your sleeves, get your creative juices flowing, and start transforming your backyard into a garden paradise today. Creating a beautiful backyard garden doesn't have to break the bank. With some strategic planning and creativity, you can transform your outdoor space into a stunning oasis that fits within your budget. In this article, we will explore various affordable garden ideas and provide inspiration for designing a charming backyard garden that won't drain your wallet. Achieving a stunning backyard garden on a budget is entirely possible with careful planning and a bit of creativity. By implementing these budget-friendly gardening ideas, you can transform your outdoor space into a tranquil haven that reflects your personal style. Embrace the challenge of designing an affordable garden and let your creativity thrive as you create an inviting and aesthetically pleasing oasis right in your own backyard. Please consider supporting our channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Your engagement greatly helps us in delivering more high-quality content. Thank you for your continued support.